I'm watering my raised beds tonight. I do it every few days if it doesn't rain. I don't do it a lot, but I thought since it hadn't rained in a few days, so let's show you what we got. My squash, which I may have wet them a little too much. They've got some blooms on those. Those, I think those are actually, I'm gonna have to thin them out. That is okra, because I wanted some here where I could run out and cut it real quick. Here's my strawberries. I see a lot up in there. I'm gonna have to come pick those. I had some okra in these little containers. I've got to go transplant them to the big garden. There is some more strawberries. I can see them. Ooh, those look so good. And the large bed over here, we have tomatoes. And as you can tell, we got some beans. It won't be long. We'll have some fresh tomato sandwiches. And I do need to stake them off. There's actually, these I think are aromas, so we're going to have those soon. Those there also. We like those with tacos and stuff. Here's some pepper plants. They all look pretty good and strong. Of course, I got some weeds that I need to pull. I mean, it don't look too bad, but I can't stand it. And it's easier after you wet it and water it. You can pull them. There is a strawberry there and there, and the strawberry plants over there that's kind of all bushed together. The twins had planted all this area through here with Granny Pat, but then Googie dug up some and all that, so I just staggered a few peppers here and there. And look, it's blooming. And I think a few carrots are starting to arrive. Do you see that? I've got a few ones voluntarily coming up. I see a few small ones right there. They're tinky tiny, but they're coming up. But I'll probably leave those few little ones. But everything's looking good. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day from Raising Ronies.